So this week on Dak and Jew, we're doing a special one-off cocktail episode, and we are making Boulevardiers because I want to. Let's rock. So I'm actually going to use my scale. I've started doing that because I have this shot glass, which I actually think it might be like an espresso shot glass.
The only shot glass we have is this weird thing.
In our shaker, we have ice. I'm actually just going to stir with my stirring stick. Dakota is going to shake. The ingredients that you need for your Boulevardier are a whiskey of your choice. I'm using a rye. You are also going to need Campari and a sweet vermouth of your choice. Lots of recipes recommend Dolan, but again, whatever you have is great. We are going to start with 2 ounces of our whiskey of choice.
This is gonna fuck me up.
We had 2 each last night.
Ooh. During
our little party. And by party, I mean me and Mark lying on the floor watching Kill Bill. So we have our 2 ounces of whiskey in here. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of our Campari.
Julie really wanted to make this drink, and I was like, oh, you know how I feel about Campari.
I personally love it, but Dakota hates it. We are going to add our 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth.
Great.
Oh, I didn't straighten up my Christmas towels.
Oh, you can't really see them anyway.
Yes, you can. Okay, so our ingredients are all in our shaker, and Dakota's gonna shake. I'm gonna stir like 20 seconds. We've done a little shaky, stirry action. We're going to pour our strained drink into our cup of choice. I know you though, Dakota, and I suppose that you could technically serve it with a big ol' ice cube if you wanted.
Anything can be served with ice, even wine. Okay. This is dangerous. If Big Boy even moves a muscle, we're both screwed.
Well, good thing he won't move.
It's true. His face is firmly between the couch and the pillow.
Okay. Some people think that adding like an orange peel or a lemon peel is just for aesthetics, but it really actually does add flavor. And if you can kind of like twist and roll the strip into like a little curlicue over the drink, you can see the oils hit the surface.
I also sometimes just go along the rim of my glass.
You read my mind. It's literally what I'm doing right now.
Cheers. Woo! Holy moly. Tasty.
You're lying.
I mean, is it my new drink of choice? No, but I like it.
I think it is my new drink of choice for the time being, but I just like how, well, I love, these are just my drinks. I love Negronis.
Yeah.
And I love whiskey.
Right.
And so any combination of these, I'm a happy lady.
Yes.